Here's a look at a beautiful antique Waltham pocket watch movement. 15 jewels, 18 size, model 1883. Made by the American Waltham Watch Company, serial number 1482123, dating to around 1906. This movement is untested, perfect for collectors, restoration, or parts. Just over 41.6 millimeters across. Find it now on eBay. Search for ABC Estate Auctions, or click the link in the description. We handle estate sales, auctions, cleanouts, and more. Even if you're thinking of doing it yourself, we can help. info@abcestateauctions.com, call or text 404-576-5471.